Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will see how pandas are actually working in the Python. So, pandas are basically the library which transforms your random results in the form of columns or rows as present in Excel. So, you can access the entire column, entire rows by using pandas. So, it is very helpful in data science. So, first of all, we are going to initialize the pandas, import pandas as PD. After that, you have any kind of information like I have this result. In the result I have this is basically the dictionary. In the dictionary I have initialized the variable which is result. So in the dictionary there are names of Ali and Ahmed present and their roll numbers present, and Python and Power BI is their subject with their respective marks. So basically what I want to present, I want to present my whole result in the form of columns. These are just basically the dictionary, but I want to see it in the form of columns as it is in the Excel. So how can this be made? After this you have to write the statement, which is df is basically my variable, and the main command which transform these data in the form of columns is basically what pd dot data frame. It is the backbone of your transformation. So pd dot data frame, and in the data frame you will write your result, which is your first variable. Anything you have right here should be present in this bracket. So this command will transform your whole information in the form of columns with their respective elements. I will show you here like this. Df to print my columns. So in this manner, as you see that there are two names, Ahmed and Ali, and Ahmed, and roll number of Ali is 12, Ali's marks Python is 22, and Ali's marks in Power BI is 22. So these are the basic representation of your data in the form of columns. How can you done it? You will use the pandas library and you will write here pd.dataframe with their initial variable name, and it will print you this result. I hope you are very clear with it. If you have any queries you can ask.